How to get face tracking in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox app on your device. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on More at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find all these options. Scroll down in here and click on Settings. After you're in the Settings section, you'll find more options. Click on Privacy and Content Restrictions, which is the third option. After you have done that, you'll find all these options in here. Turn on camera input. After you click on it, it will turn on. After it's turned on, go back and then click on your avatar. Go to head and body in your avatar and make sure it's the smiley face head. After you have done that, you can open the app or game and simply play it. It will ask you allow access to camera, accept it, and you're good to go. Also, only some of the games in the Roblox have face tracking. And this is how to get face tracking in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.